All right, so let me show you this. So open this up. So explore GPTs. So here I am in ChatGPT, and I'm going to say explore GPTs. And then bring this up. You'll see a search box comes up. So if you are a subscriber to vidIQ, you go up here, you type vidIQ, it says searching. Make sure you choose the one that says by vidIQ.com. Choose that one. And now you can start a chat specifically with ChatGPT using vidIQ. So vidIQ has access to all your YouTube analytics. And so you can go here now and say, hey, tell me, what do you suggest for my next video? And then because it knows my channel, has access to my channel, the first time it comes up, by the way, it will ask you to log in to vidIQ. It'll pop up a little login browser box. It says based on your channel texture, your niche is helping content creators grow their YouTube channels through tips, tutorials, and personal experiences. Your target audience is small YouTubers and aspiring content creators looking for practical advice and motivation. Here are 3 video ideas tailored for your channel. And this is which one? YouTube growth hacks I wish I knew sooner. The biggest lies about growing on YouTube. And reacting to my first YouTube video, what I did wrong. Oh, wow. I did so many things wrong. I won't even talk about my first video. Yeah, my first live stream was bad. It was. But I went live. And like I said, there's no video on my channel that doesn't have at least 10 views. So, your videos will get a view sooner or later, even if it's the worst thing you've ever done. So I don't let that. So that's what you do right there. You can bring it in your vidIQ if you have vidIQ. Now I think you do have to have one of the paid tiers. I don't think the free one won't let you do this. I don't think. I think you do unfortunately have to have one of the paid tiers. So, and I did the Black Friday deal on vidIQ. So I'm doing, I don't know, Legend or Boost, whatever it's called. I know Legend was probably the one on TubeBuddy. So I did TubeBuddy on Black Friday a year ago and tried it. And I did like it, but not everything went good. But anyway, but this is the only way I found. When I had vidIQ previously, when it first started, you could go in there and you could just do queries against ChatGPT inside vidIQ. But that functionality seems to be gone, but it's still here. And so, and the AI behind vidIQ is ChatGPT, in case you didn't know that. So anyway. But yeah, and so I can go here and say, okay, give me some ideas. I can also say, tell me the best, let me see, the top 5 videos on my channel. Let's see, top 5 videos on my channel. There you go. So it has access to my analytics. So it should be able to come back and tell me, there it goes. So yeah, because it has access to my analytics, it's able to pull back this stuff, and says, oh, hey, would you like to analyze these videos further or build on their success for your next video idea? So this is what you can do if you have ChatGPT and you have vidIQ. So yeah, because I tried tying in ChatGPT into my YouTube channel. No luck there. I then tried Gemini. Google owns Gemini. I have a Gemini Pro license because I'm a Google One subscriber. So if you get extra space on Google Drive, you automatically are in Google One. And if you're in Google One, you automatically get access to the Pro version of Gemini. And I had some crazy notion, if I use the same account for Gemini that I use for my YouTube channel, it would have access. No, still doesn't. Now they did add a plugin, add a feature on YouTube Studio that does interact more with Gemini and does a little better about looking at your stuff in your channel, but not to the level that vidIQ with ChatGPT does. So this is disappointing to me. Google fix this. If you liked this, be sure to hit that like button. Hit that like button. This lets YouTube know that the stuff I'm doing is stuff you like, and that helps the channel. I thank you so much for being here. And YouTube is going to tell you to watch this video right here. The algorithm is watching you. It knows what you like. So watch this video next. I'd really appreciate it.